this is Sinclair from South Bison. I'm here at Mahikaning. We've just installed an M630 with these kind gentlemen here. I'm just going to go and get a review from each of them. Sir?
My name is Lebu Mutibi. I've been inducted by Mr. Sinclair from South Bison on this particular HP machine, and I think it works wonders. It's wonderful.
Excellent. Sir?
I'm Mr. Mahura, and we've been inducted by Sinclair from South Bison for this M630 machine. For example, if you want to clean it, you can use a paintbrush to clean the house. Thank you.
I'm Mr. TG. We have been inducted by Mr. Sinclair, and I have learned how to remove certain parts of this machine in a safe way so that it will not break.
My name is Tabiso Hume. We have inducted this machine by Mr. Sinclair. He taught us a lot of things like how to fix the machine, like how good this machine work.
Hello, my name is Mutamedi. I've been inducted with this machine by Mr. Sinclair. He taught us how to take care with this machine every day and every week.
Morning, my name is Kwena. It's Mr. Kwena. I've been inducted by Mr. Sinclair, and I'm for this machine, and then I'm gonna clean weekly. That's it.
Excellent. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a good day.